told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Drknlvely, aka Robin, and welcome back to my channel. And if it's your first time seeing this mug and these locks, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, become part of the Dark Knight Squad. We lit over here. I'm your good sis, you're my good sis. And girl, tomorrow is retie day. And I'm filming a video on basically what I do to my hair prior to retie day. And it just so happened to work out that today is the day right before my retie. I normally try and wash my hair the day before a retie, or 2 or 3 days. Well, 2 days. I never go 3. I feel like 3 is too long. But honestly, I just washed my hair, but I had the barrel rolls in so long and I kept the curls in for so long that when I washed my hair, I did not dye my hair because I did not look at the calendar and I didn't realize that it was already so close to my retie appointment. And this is it. If I would have had dyed my hair and got rid of that gray, I wouldn't have washed my hair today. She would have got the scalp that she has currently now. And it's only a week old, which I feel like it's not bad. It's just, your good sis is tired. So I was like, my period's coming. I was like, I don't really feel like washing my hair again. But Tiny Locks is next week. And I want my braid out to pop. And honestly has nothing to do with Tiny Locks, but the grays are graying. So let's go ahead and get the grays taken care of. If you're new here, this is the dye that I use. It has all this stuff on it because it leaks out, but it gets the job done. Now this is temporary dye, people. It says black hair dye shampoo, but it's temporary. It's like henna. And before, I would be able to get a lot of wears out of this shampoo in between my shampoos and correcting my grays, baby. Grays are coming in even faster now, and I don't know what to do about it. All right. And that's all I do for the back. That's it.
Minutes starting now.
So we are going to let this sit for 15 minutes, probably a little bit longer, probably like more like 20. So once that goes off, because I can't remember exactly how long it's been. I should check the time before I started, but I didn't. I'm only human. So we are about to let this process. My grays are very stubborn, so I like to do the full allotted time that they recommend, and it's like 25. They say 25. So I'm gonna clean up this mess, and then we're gonna rinse it out. BRB. We're cooking with grease now, and honestly, Whew, you want to know what relief looks like? When my hair is like this and I'm rinsing it and then I push my head up, it's so heavy. So I literally just fan it out like that and it makes a world of difference. It's looking pretty good. So now let's wash my hair. I'm not gonna go too ham because like I said, I just washed my hair a week ago. So I'm honestly gonna focus more on my ends. We've got my hair. It's warmer now. It's going to be like 90 degrees today. So I did not go in and completely dry my hair. I did a quick dry with the RevAir, a quick pass or whatever, because it's still earlier in the day and my hair will be dried by later on today, and I will be going outside today, so my hair will be getting some good old vitamin D, and it's definitely going to be dry. It's probably, I would have to say 80% dry right now, which is completely good for me, like I said, because it's earlier in the day. If it was later in the evening, I definitely would have did a full thorough drying with the RevAir, but since it's not, and I gotta get to work. So we just did a quick dry. I did oil my scalp with my oil, which I use jojoba oil and essential oils. I use lemongrass, tea tree, and I think I use some orange, some kind of citrus, and I think I started putting rosemary in there. And I don't know, but maybe the rosemary is helping because I feel like my hair is growing. I got a good amount of growth in between. So hair's done. I'm going to now go and put on some clothes, get back to work. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me prep my hair for my retie day. I can't wait to get my hair redyed. So this is a standard. This is what I do every time before I get a retie, I always touch up my grades. I always correct them. That will always happen prior to retie day. And I only touch up my grays, like I said in my video, this one. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and check it out. Just like I said in that video, I literally only use that retouch, that dye correcting shampoo every 6 to 7 weeks. In between my reties, I do not correct my grays because it's not that deep unless I got something to do. But half of the time, my events are planned around my reties. Or sometimes I'm just lucky and it works out like that to where my special events are around a retie. So because I have a retie, that means my grays are corrected. So those are the grays. It's better than it was. Some of my more stubborn ones on the side, they didn't take as well as in the middle, but I'm always a bust down middle part kind of girl. So see, there's some grays right there that are just like silver foxing it. And I'm just like, you can't let me be great, but it's completely fine. It's not as noticeable as it was prior to this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I will see you in the next video. All right, bye. Yeah.